I have 10 of the best Temu items that are gonna make your house cleaner and more organized than ever before. I also have some amazing discounts for you. Use this code right here, DUV8585, and you can get up to $100 coupon bundle on all of these amazing hidden gems. And if you are a new app user, you can get one of these products for up to 50% off. And I'm starting off with a bang, my #1 favorite item. Oh, and if you're watching from your TV or your iPad, you can go ahead and scan this QR code on screen right here, and it will take you to all 10 of the products in this video. Although I do have a couple bonus items. And if you've never ordered anything from Temu before, just know this: free shipping on all items and free returns up to 90 days. And this right here, this is a kicker. If you order something and the price drops within 30 days, you can request a partial refund. What? Now, let's get into these amazing items. The #1 item is this utility cart. You're gonna be able to use this in so many spaces and places in your home. The handle is super durable. You can push it with one hand, you can push it with two hands. I also love that you can easily store this. You can store it in its upright vertical position to help save you space. You can store this in your trunk, which is where I will keeping it primarily for grocery shopping. I love the durable collapsible crates that come with it as well. You can even lift the top, I don't know what you would call this, lever up so that you can get easily into that bottom crate. Genius! The handle you can also adjust in 2 different angles. You could have it upright, which is more what I prefer, but if you're pushing something really heavy, you can cock that handle back just a little bit further to give you a little bit more boost. There is also a brake on this utility cart. My friend, this is such high quality. My husband loved this. He said, Andrea, this was such a good find on Temu. Currently, right now on Temu, this entire set is just over $100. I can't even believe it. The quality, the wheels are fantastic. You can fit so much product in each of these crates. You could use both crates, you could use one crate, and you can lift it in and out of your vehicle as needed. To use the brake, all you have to do is flip the little lever up and down with your foot. You don't need to bend down. You do not need to touch anything. Like, heck to the yes. And I know this cart is gonna have a high sellout risk, so if you are interested in this, I would highly recommend, like, do not wait. Put the pedal to the metal on this one. In fact, I was just in Aldi and I already got my first compliment when I brought this out into the wild, if you will. This just happened. We're loading our groceries up here and some lady came up to us and she's like, oh my gosh, that cart is so cool. Where did you get it? Truly, I am obsessed with this thing. I'm taking it everywhere. I'm taking it to the pool, to the grocery store, the park. I'm gonna be the lady with the cart. Yes. Okay, I could talk about this utility cart all day long because I love it so stinking much. Like, everyone needs one. Your friend needs one, your mom needs one, your aunt and uncle, your neighbor needs one for Christmas. And Christmas is just around the corner. The rest of these gems are also amazing. So let's talk about your trunk since we're in that neck of your neighborhood. Maybe you have a lot of stuff in your trunk that needs a little organizing, a little bit of love. This trunk organizer has you covered. It's durable enough, yet it's lightweight enough. You can even collapse it if you want to make it a little bit smaller. Maybe you wanted to use this in a closet or a bathroom or an office. It doesn't have to be for your trunk. It has some really nice pockets on the side so you could store some extra things in there. It also has mesh pockets so you can easily access items that you need, such as an umbrella. Well, what else would you need in your trunk? I don't know. There's a lot of random stuff that I can put in my trunk. It holds larger sized items and heavier sized items as well. It has easy carry handles on the side, which are super durable. And what I love about this is the material is easy to clean. So if you're camping with this or you're putting this in an RV or you're storing it in your trunk, chances are it's gonna get scuffed up and dirty a little bit faster, but you wouldn't know because it's black and you can easily wipe it off. Because of this organizer, you can easily find what you need wherever you decide to take this little gem. Have you ever had things sliding around in the back of your trunk? You're like, oh my gosh, that is so annoying, but you just learn to live with this thing sliding around in your trunk. Not anymore. Put everything nice and contained in this trunk organizer and you're gonna be so much happier. Number 3, shoes. We all have probably way too many shoes in our house from changing seasons, changing weather. Maybe you just need shoes to go out to your mailbox or your garage with. I've got you covered. When you are limited on space, or maybe you want to maximize a space in your home, you want to really access that vertical space. So that's why the shoe organizer is so handy. And it's lightweight enough so that you could transport it to different areas in your home should you want to. It's nice and narrow so it fits in small spaces. It could be used in a bathroom. It could be used in a pantry, an office, a bedroom. I'm 5'7" and the shoe organizer comes to just about my rib cage, just to give you an idea and frame of reference. It has 9 shelves on it. Now it doesn't have to be just for shoes. You could use this to store t-shirts, but you could also use it to store your jeans. What a clever way to make them all nice and organized. It's almost like you've made the inside of your closet or your bedroom look like a very fancy retail store. Love this. Again, I've seen this item at a much higher price point from other retailers, and I'm like, I'll take this one. Maybe you need a clever way to organize all the hats. My husband tends to be a bit of a hat collector, and I also have 2 young boys who wear hats. So I wanted a nice way to organize them, but also display them very chic. This is also an excellent gift idea. If you were to give this to someone who wears hats on a regular basis or loves to showcase their favorite hats, they would love this. There are 2 different positions that you could organize with this hat. You could do more of a vertical approach, but you could also do more of a horizontal approach. I love that. And it's clear, it's acrylic. You can even mount this on a wall should you want to, but I have to say, I just like it nice in our entryway in a little cabinet. You can easily grab the hat that you need, and everyone knows where the hats go when you're done wearing them. If you've been here a hot minute, you know this channel is all about cleaning and home hacks and all of my favorite gadgets and gizmos and finds, because they help make your home more organized and also help you clean it a little bit better. So when I found these cleaning supply storage baskets, 4 come in a pack, I was like, heck to the yes, and they have nice durable handles on them. But they don't just have to be for your cleaning supplies. You could store toilet paper if you wanted to. It looks chic, it looks organized, it's easy to access what you need. You can easily wipe it clean. Not only does it have handles on the top, it also has handles on the side, so you get to choose how you want to move and groove with this particular item. The handle on the front makes it easy to pull in and out of whatever storage area you have this in. Something I always emphasize on this channel is have cleaning supplies easily accessible in every single bathroom. That way you can quickly do a wipe down. You don't have to run down the hall, run downstairs, upstairs, downstairs to your neighbor's house to get the cleaning supplies that you need. If they're right underneath your bathroom cabinet, should you have that, or a nearby closet, it's gonna make it so much easier to clean. And this 4-pack of storage bins is going to help you keep everything nice, contained, organized, and beautiful. Number 6, so I talked about my husband have way too many hats. I have way too many coffee mugs. I'm not a keeper or collector of really anything other than coffee mugs. So when I travel somewhere, I get one for every state that we've been in, which leaves me to a situation where I don't want to part with them, but I have too many. So I need a better way to organize them. You can see here in my pantry, I've done an okay job, but it doesn't look aesthetically very pleasing of how I have them organized and stacked. But these mug organizers, my friend, again, I've been eyeing these up on a different retailer, and I found them here, and I was like, yes, because then I can buy more fun, cool stuff. Because I have more coins in my pocket. They're fully adjustable depending upon the size mug that you have. Just pull it out and adjust it to your mug's particular size. Not only can you use this to stack your mugs and again access that vertical space, freeing up more space in your home, these can be used as coasters, so you're not leaving rings on your table. So no longer will I say that I have too many coffee mugs. I've just found a better way to organize all the coffee mugs. Number 7, have you ever watched The Home Edit? You know those 2 gals from Tennessee that have a show on Netflix? Did you know that they have their products on Temu? I didn't know that until just recently, but yes, they have their products and at a great price point. Now, I have not splurged and bought any of their products because I'm like, wow, that's a little bit pricey, a little bit expensive, but not anymore. I love these open front storage bins. They are bamboo inspired and you can easily stack them. I love these so much. I ordered like 4 or 5 more just sitting behind me back here because I love the way that it made my pantry and kitchen look. Now everything is nice and contained thanks to these. Oh, and I forgot to mention the very durable handles on the side, so you can easily move these in and out of whatever space that you have these in. It doesn't have to be in a pantry. You could use this in a bathroom, which would be great for all of your supplies. If you had room underneath the sink, you could use this for craft supplies. You could use these in your office. Love these. Oh, I love this one too. Number 8, over-the-door organizer. You know, under your bed is a great way to, get a little extra square footage in your home, but your doors are as well. Now, this over-the-door organizer, I got it in the white color, just blends in very nicely, but it also comes in the black version should you want something a little bit darker. The shelves, my friend, are fully adjustable. I love that about this. Not only is it durable and sturdy, but the shelves are adjustable. Sometimes you have cleaning supplies and they're a little bit taller and you can't fit them in the shelves, and it's like, oh, you're like, oh, why? This is annoying. But I want to use this in my pantry so I can get some things off the floor that are making everything look super cluttered, and then I can put these in the shelves. But not only is this great for a pantry, you can use this in an office. I put some of my kids' learning supplies, hung it on my office door, and it just looks so beautiful and organized. I'm not taking up valuable shelf space anymore. Again, I have just gained so much extra square footage in my home. I'm like, wow, I love this. Where has this been my entire life? And I also love that it's basically floor to ceiling. So you're maximizing that entire door space. You know where else this would be fantastic? In a laundry room. You could use this in a bathroom. Maybe you want to fold up towels and store towels in there and hand towels and just make it look super chic, but also accessible. Ooh, I love this. I really want one for every room. Number 9, this bedding organizer. Again, seen this on a different retailer and I found it here on Temu and I was like, I have got to test these out. I love these. What a great, clever way to organize sheets and blankets. I wanted to see how much I could really fit inside of here, and I was able to fit like 2 pretty decently sized quilts inside one of them. Granted, it was like busting out a little bit more, but just to give you an idea of what you can fit in here. It also has a little see-through circle so you could do at a glance what's inside there. Oh yeah, I packed a blanket, a sheet set, or some, I don't know, quilted blankets inside of there. But you can also label things. There are little white inserts. You could write on them what it is. Maybe it's your full sheet set, your queen sheet set. That way you're not wondering and unraveling things. If you're anything like me, I love all white sheets because I can bleach them, I can sanitize them, and they come out looking really nice and crisp and like a hotel luxury. Not only is everything so nice and organized when it comes to this organizational system, but it's easier to access. Yes, there's even pull out handles. So if you have these up high or in a particular cupboard, you can just easily pull out the sheets or blankets that you need. Like boop, 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 boop. I love these. They're fun. They look great. They look chic. They elevate the closet. You can also store them in different directions. So you don't have to store them vertically if you wanted to. I'm actually going to store mine horizontally for a hot minute so that way gravity can take over a little bit and just kind of flatten everything up and nice and square and make it look so nice. Keeping them in my boys' closet for easy access. Number 10, I think everybody needs to have some sort of automatic trash can in their house, especially if your hands are gunky and you don't want to touch anything in the lid, like it's just la 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 la. So you could keep this in your kitchen, you could keep it in a pantry, an office, a bathroom. I'm excited to keep this in my garage. And can you believe it? Over 23,000 of this automatic garbage can have sold. And it's not only stainless steel, although stainless steel is super chic. It is, in fact, fingerprint proof. I tested it out. I thought with 4 kids, this is amazing, especially when they're dumping things and touching. Like they just touch everything, you know? It comes in multiple gorgeous colors. Now the top will automatically close on itself within a few seconds, but if you're like, no, I want to shut this so fast, maybe with something like super stinky in there, just hit that close button and it will boop, pop right down. Like this is so fun. To wave your hand, it opens up. Walk away and then it just closes itself. It's these little things in life that make your life so much easier and cleaner and organized all at the same time. Before we get into the brilliant bonus item, if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you do. Andrea Jean Cleaning, especially Instagram stories. I love to give sneak peeks. I actually did give a sneak peek of this rolling cart. I also post deals and discount codes on there. Andrea Jean Cleaning. I'll link it in the description box below and pin it in the comment section. Also, anything that I'm talking about here today will be linked in that description box below. I have a couple bonus items for you, and it's these collapsible carts. My friend, if you don't have these, you're gonna want them. Let me show you why. I have 2 different sizes for various things that you may want to store in them. Not only is it great because they're collapsible, you could store them away, but you can stack them on top of one another. So again, if you want to maximize that vertical space, there are several places in your home that you can use this. We're actually going to use it for our kids' toys. We got a domino set, which they're loving, but the pieces get everywhere. I wanted something that they can easily carry. The handles, there's handles on top, there's handles on the side. So Kids Toys is a great place to use this. You can also use it in a grocery store. Yeah, so everything is nice and contained and organized. I'm gonna love these for my Aldi trips, which I tend to go like 2 or 3 times a week so that I can get fresh produce. But again, they're collapsible, so you can easily store them in your trunk. You could store them under a seat. You could, put them on their side. You can also use this for cleaning supplies. So again, maybe underneath your sink, you want a crate that you can easily pull out and put all your cleaning supplies in. I wanted to show you how many different sizes of cleaning supplies that I could put inside this crate, and it is quite a few. Now my little cleaning closet over here looks so much more organized because of these crates, and I can pull them out, grab what I need when I'm not cleaning bathrooms, all the other things around your house. None of these items are junk, my friend. These are going to solve everyday problems that you have in your life. Perfect solutions for around your home and outside of the home. Make sure that you use my discount code DUV8585 so that you can get up to $100 coupon bundle, and if you are a new app user, you can get up to 50% off one product. Or be sure to scan this exclusive QR code right here. It will link you to everything in this video. Have you signed up for my free newsletter? If not, make sure you do. It's linked in the description box below. Follow me on Instagram, Andrea Jean Cleaning, so that we can stay connected for all the fun. And if you love all things cleaning, home hacks, and home gadgets, click this video on screen now. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.